Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove DPI stages in Logitech Pro Wireless mouse. To do this, you will need to get Logitech G Hub on your PC. You can download it from a Logitech website. It's an app that allows you to configure your mouse. Now click on your mouse and don't click on the device settings. It opens entirely different page because, as you can see, I clicked on the mouse and here we have sensitivity DPI stages. Now if you want to add additional stage, simply click anywhere on this slider and it will add them. And there's maximum of 5. If you want to remove them, simply click and hold on that stage, then drag it down and it should be removed from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.